at why you're laying down like that? Eating their new bed. So, pumikit din tayo. Already, 1, 2, 3.
War! Yes! Glory!
Ito walang bayan ko.
Congratulations!
Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa oras na ito. Maraming salamat po bawat kabataan. Nanalangin ko.
So, after our fellowship while ago, so now we will gonna have our audition for the dancer of the In the Zion worship team. Let's see.
Just speed up the back.